Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account temporarily. Okay, so just let me clarify this. Facebook and Messenger is the interconnected app, so you have to go to the Facebook here, and after that you have to click on the three lines, and after clicking on the three lines you have to go to the setting and privacy, then just go to the setting, and after that you have to go to after that guys, you on the search bar you have to type deactivate. Okay, and after that you can see there is option access and control. Just click on this, and here deactivation and deletion. Okay, that is the second option. Click on that, and here you will get the option of that you want to temporarily deactivate this account, or you want, if you wanted to deactivate permanent, you can select the another option. So we can click on the continue to account deactivation. After that you have to enter the password, your account password, and this is it guys. So this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Messenger and the Facebook account. So this is it. I hope you like this video, and if you did, then like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.